I'm Oliver. I'm the Brew Master at OI, and I'm showing you our process today, how we make authentic and artisanal craft beers and what is so special about OI beers. The OI brewery is built to produce up to 5 lakh liters of beer per year. While our processes are traditional and artisanal, our equipment is actually state-of-the-art to help us giving you the best beer at all times. The process starts with selecting the right kind of grain for the beer we want to make. And when we make a recipe, we mix these malts according to the color and the taste we want the beer later to have. We weigh these ingredients and we crush them in a mill. The outcome is a bit like a coarse flour, as you can see here. And this flour then we take to our brew house, where we prepare the raw beer. The flour first is mixed with water, and the result looks a little bit like your porridge at home. This is being mashed, as we say, is being kept at temperatures between 60 and 70 degrees, at which a conversion of the starch in this porridge happens, and the entire porridge becomes sweet, something we later on need. The mashing process takes about 2 hours. Afterwards, we want to separate the solids from the liquid part of our porridge, the mash, because you want to drink the beer, you don't want to eat it. For this purpose, we transfer the mash into the next vessel, which is like a big sieve. So all the solids stay on the top and the liquid passes from below. This now is a sweet syrup and is the raw, unfermented beer, which still lacks the alcohol and the bitterness from the hops, which are added later. In the next step of the process, we are boiling the beer. The beer is being boiled in order to concentrate it and make it a little stronger. And also because the next ingredients, the hops, require hot temperatures to become soluble. The hops are like the masala of the beer. We are sourcing the hops from all over the world, as every part of the world has its own typically flavored hops. Some hops are very herbal in flavor, others taste like tropical fruits, and others again like peach or mango. Now the beer is ready. It is still hot, so we pass it through this chiller and fill it in the tank. Now that we have cooled down the wort, we add the yeast to the wort, which will then ferment the sugars in the wort and produce the alcohol. This process takes about 2 to 3 weeks.